Mrs. India Asia Pacific 2017-18 show coach model and socialite. But this is not a great thing today. The great thing is handloom press meet. But might be you guys thinking that what's new in handloom press meet? The great news is that the direct weaver is here, Mr. Pandu, and today we launch one album just because to copyright his designs, so that nobody can say that this is created or customized by us. Whatever the motifs he use and whatever kind of creativity he do for his saris. So now, today onwards is a copyright with the name of Mr. Pandu. One thing, and second thing, the purpose for this press meet is only and only is that we are now only few people in a handloom who are weaving, because one is a power loom problem and second is people are not buying handloom. But I am telling you guys, handloom comes from the pure heart for your one of the biggest life events. So just go for the handloom saris, go for handloom designs, and just go for the handloom kind of things. You never ever look a backwards or something. You look stylish if you're wearing a handloom. I'm the example for that. Today also I'm wearing a design from Mr. Pandu, and I'm pretty confident that yes, I'm looking good. So this is in our hand that how we can take forward that handloom things. It's not like that doing a press meet, doing the events and handloom, I just contributed for the society. Is not, never will be happen. We have to give a place in our cupboard, at our home, at our community, at our next generation. Handloom को अपने यहाँ पे एक घर देना होगा. Then only handloom we can save. Might be you guys know yoga is from India, but nowadays when abroad app said that ki do this asana, that asana, we just immediately we just download that app and we said that ki oh, I am following XYZ out of Indian app for my fitness. Guys, still time is there for the handloom. Otherwise another 10 years we usually call that ki I purchase this motif sari from that abroad. They will enter into our country, they pick these guys and they will give their name. So save it. Before that, save it. Why I put the Kohinoor name? Kohinoor is still belong to that ki it is from India, right? But it is not with us. Don't do with the handloom. It is from India. It should be in India. This is our motive for the press meets. And people are giving not value to the weavers is not like that. They will respect, they click the pictures, they post on social media that yes, today we met one weaver and I'm supporting weaver. No, this is not the way to support the weaver. Media support is 100% required, guys, for the to save the handloom. We usually call women empowerment. Now the term comes, save your own property. Own means your country property. Otherwise the same thing happen like Kohinoor, same thing happen like yoga, same thing happen with other that protein powders. We usually made protein powders from I think 70-80 years back from Nanima Dadima, and now we usually buying that brand packet from the abroad. This will happen for the handloom another 10 years if we are not doing anything. So giving back to the society is not just clicking the picture and posting on a social media. Giving back to the society is that you need to invest on that. And I started that. Usually I gift silver coin if about 10,000 of the gift if I want to give some other corporate or some people because of my business or anything. Now I stop giving. I am giving a sari or a dress material direct from the viewers and giving them and putting their visiting card into that, so that they should not think, Are Baba, only one sari. This is the value of their name if you are showing, if you are giving to them along with their direct contact number.
ఒక ఫాదర్ తోటి దగ్గర నేను ఒక హ్యాండ్లూమ్ అనేది నేర్చుకోగలగడం జరిగినది. అందరికీ రాదు ఇది ఒకటి. ప్రత్యేక వచ్చేసి ఒక స్పెషల్గా వచ్చేసి మన జకాట్ వచ్చేసి మిషన్ ఉన్నది. జకాట్ అనేది మిషన్ కంచిలో ఎట్లా వస్తుందో జకాట్ ట్విల్లో కానీ డిజైన్ ఒక కంప్యూటర్ డిజైన్స్ వెరైటీ డిజైన్స్ కానీ చేసేందుకు రెడీగా ఎంతో ఉన్నది. దాంట్లో ఒక జరీ, ఒక నాణ్యతమైన ప్యూర్ జరీ, ఒక సిల్వర్ జరీ ఎట్లా ఉన్నదో దాంట్లో కూడా ఎంతో ఉన్నది వెరైటీగా. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే శారీస్లో కూడా ప్యూర్ అనేది ఒక స్పెషల్గా ఐటమ్ ఒకటి మర్తా డిజైన్స్, వేరే డిజైన్స్ జెకార్డ్స్ ఒక మిషన్స్ మీద కానీ ఒక స్పెషల్గా ఒక ఉన్న ట్రెండ్లో కూడా చేసేందుకు రెడీగా ఉన్నాం.